So Sharon, circling back on a concept that you mentioned earlier around utility, which is all about creating value. But I would imagine that that's not always, communicating value is not always easy for teams, right? So what are some of the common mistakes that you see from teams who are trying to communicate value to their audiences, and how do you coach them out of that?
Yeah. I think probably the most common mistake that we come across is when people try to make the product the hero of the story.
Mhm.
And a better path is to make it the customer the hero of the story. And the product is the lightsaber that they use
Nice.
to overcome or destroy the monster of a problem that they're trying to face.
Yeah, I really like that analogy.
Yes.
Yeah, it's more of a tool versus the actual hero. I like that, making the customer the hero.
Everybody wants to be a hero.
Right, right, right. And you're just providing them kind of the arsenal to do that.
Exactly right.
Yeah, I like that.